In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ground shadow effect in Figma. This process is straightforward and enhances your design with a subtle yet effective visual dimension. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head to the Figma website. If you're not already familiar, Figma is a collaborative interface design tool widely used for creating user interfaces and user experience designs. Once you're there, you're going to log into your Figma account. Simply click on the login button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Ensure you have your credentials ready so you can access your projects immediately. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home screen of Figma. This screen is where you can access all of your recent projects and easily navigate through your workspace. Here you should find and select design from the various options available. This will direct you to the design interface where you'll have all the tools necessary to start creating. Next, we're going to locate the shape tools. Typically you'll find these tools on the top bar or side panel of the design interface. The shape tools are fundamental components in Figma, allowing you to create various geometric shapes. Click on this tool to begin. For creating a ground shadow, you'll start by creating an initial shape. This shape represents the object for which the shadow will be created. It could be a simple square, circle, or any custom shape, whatever works best for your design requirement. After you have your shape in place, the next step is to add a fill to it. You'll do this by clicking on the fill option within the properties panel, usually located on the right side of the interface. This panel enables you to customize different attributes of the selected shape. Once you've accessed the fill options, you'll see the option to add a gradient. Click on gradient and then choose radial. This is essential as a radial gradient will help you create a more realistic shadow effect, mimicking how light diffuses naturally in the real world. By adjusting the gradient's colors and spread, you can refine the shadow to your liking, giving it the optimal softness and transparency that will sit naturally beneath your object. This delicate attention to detail is what enhances the depth of your design, making it more dynamic and visually appealing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully created a ground shadow in Figma. This effect is perfect for adding depth and a professional finish to your designs. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different shapes and gradient settings to achieve the perfect look for your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.